Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel C33 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the wallpaper and style. Now let's tap on change wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got two different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So you can enter my photos, and of course you can set your own photo as a wallpaper or on device wallpapers which are pre-installed. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got 6 different options from which we can choose. If you want to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it, and as you can see you will see how it will look like on the home screen or the lock screen. You can check it also just by tapping on this option. And it's basically up to you which option you want to apply. If you're happy with your choice, just tap on this tick icon. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both. I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.